Hi beauties, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Little Jeffrey moment. I'll be looking real crazy today, real crazy. But it's okay because today we're doing something a little bit different, and we are going to be cleaning my makeup room. Y'all, I haven't, sorry, I'm so shaky, I'm holding the camera, but I haven't cleaned my makeup room since probably mid-November, so it's a hot damn mess up in here. There's like literal glitter sparkle like snowflakes all over the floor, so we need to vacuum in here, we need to dust in here. I need to clean like out some of my actual drawers and like reorganize them because there's literally just makeup like stuffed everywhere right now. Do y'all see that? Like it's just stuffed in every nook and cranny. This is my literal primer drawer. This is ridiculous. So yeah, we need to do a little makeup room reset today. And yeah, I just need it. I need it because we're going out of town, and then when I get home I need my room to be like clean and spotless so I could just be ready to get back to doing some makeup looks. You know what I mean? Like my room has to be like good and ready to go for me to be in the right headspace when I get home. You know what I mean? But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure that you check out my Instagram and TikTok. They are linked down below for you guys. And if you haven't already, make sure that you press that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, baby. Ooh, I'm running out of breath. Also, look at this cute little diamond art that my grandma got me for Christmas. I am obsessed. I've been working on it all morning and I'm already almost done with it. I hope you beauties had a beautiful holiday, whatever you celebrate, and let's go ahead and get into this cleaning because I have a feeling we're going to be here for a minute. It's going to be a minute. So y'all, this is the current hot mess that we're dealing with here. Yeah, don't judge. Do not judge me because good freaking Lord, this room, it needs some help. It really does. Also, don't judge my chair right now. I'm currently using one of my outside chairs with a little cushion in it because my desk chair broke. So this is what we're working with right now, girlies. This is what we're working with. But this thing also is disgusting. Look how gross this is. And it also has claw marks in it for my cat. Gotta love her. Gotta love her. I went ahead and put on my little candle because I always love to put on a good candle before I start cleaning. I feel like it just gets me in the mood, like it really does, and it just smells amazing in here. My little sister got me that for Christmas. It smells delish. I put on a little sweater, or like a little like hoodie sweater thing, hoodless sweater. What do you call that? Hoodless hoodie? I don't know. Anyways, it's a little chilly in here, so I had to change and put this on. But I've never done a clean with me here on my channel, and my room is like really small, so it's kind of hard to like set up the camera from far away so you can see the whole room and like see what I'm doing. So I will probably start with like either the desk or the floor first, and there's going to be a couple of montages throughout this video just so I'm not like talking the whole time and boring y'all and not getting shit done. So yeah. First things first though, I'm gonna get my new luggage set that my mom got me for Christmas out of here and put it into our bedroom. And I'm also gonna take this jacket that she gave me for our trip and put it in our bedroom so that I can like pack my bags and everything in there, and it's taking up a lot of room anyway, so it's gotta go in there. Now let's clean this desk off because y'all, if you can't tell, it absolutely needs it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I planned on filming this video today, and I was gonna clean my brushes also in the video, like just in between cleaning my makeup room, because I really, as you can tell, I need to clean my freaking brushes. And how about our damn hot water heater went out this week, and our house literally almost caught on flames, well, in flames on Friday. And so now our water is off, like all of our water, and we have to go over to my boyfriend's mom's house to take showers, and until we can get a new hot water heater. So until then, I won't be cleaning my brushes either. Yay me! Y'all, let me tell you, adulting can be fun, but adulting is rough. It is rough. They do not warn you. But to stay positive, we did get Taco Bell today, so whoop whoop, your girl's happy.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Picking up some of these clothes down here. Most of them are clean. Some of them I've worn like a couple of times, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in the dirty pile because they have cat hair, dog hair all over them. Okay, progress so far. You can actually kind of see the floor in here now. Whoop whoop. And I'm gonna put these clothes up next, and then work on, I think, clearing over here, and then we'll get to vacuuming and we'll pretty much be done. I'll probably just go ahead and do like my makeup organizing and the dusting tomorrow because it's getting a little bit later here, like around dinner time, and I ain't trying to be doing this all night. Tequila, say hey, baby. Say hey. Did you just see that? Did you just see that shot of my girl? She is so pretty. She's like, Mom, how about let's stop cleaning and just pay attention to me? Just pay attention to me. I'm about to fix my hair again because it looks like a hot mess. I did want to ask how everybody's Christmas was. If you do not celebrate Christmas, let me know about down below what you do celebrate and what your family does for the holiday, because I think that's really interesting. For me, Christmas this year was like really crazy and hectic. Because of the hot water heater thing. It was just like, I didn't even think we were going to be able to go anywhere, you know? I was worried about the house actually catching on fire, but we did end up going to my mom's. Well, we went to Alan's, my boyfriend, sorry, saying Alan like you know who that is. We went to my boyfriend's grandma early in the morning, and then we went over to my mom's house over in Jacksonville, and then after that we came home for a little while to work on the hot water heater again, because we just wanted to make sure that, you know, nothing was gonna happen to the house, to the animals. Like, I was freaking out all freaking weekend long. It's just been stressful, okay? But we finally got the power shut off to the hot water heater, just the hot water heater, to where we can still have power. And the water is turned off as well, just to be safe. But other than that, after we came home, we got to go to my grandfather's house, which I was excited about. Because I don't get to go over to my grandfather's house often. They live a little bit of ways away, about like an hour and a half maybe. And with everybody's schedules, like, it's kind of hard just to get everybody together, you know what I mean? So I really do cherish the times that I get to go over there and spend with them, because it's really nice just to be like with family. And like, ever since my grandfather passed away this summer, it's been very hard on me, and I like beat myself up a lot about it, because I felt like I don't want to get into it too much because I don't want to get too emotional, but like, I felt like I could have put so much more effort into like spending time with him while he was here. So sometimes I just beat myself up about that. So I try to be a lot harder on myself now about making it an attempt to hang out with family, to spend time with people that care about me, because I want them to know that I care about them too, you know? I'm not even gonna lie though, I did get choked up a few times, like thinking about my grandfather. And to be honest, I think I always will. The same thing with my grandma. Like, it just will always be a little bit harder knowing that you can't spend like the holidays that you always did with them. But I do want to say, the other day, last week actually, I went to Dollar Tree, and this like really made me feel like my grandfather was there with me in that moment. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got some Ioni products because they just came out with a new collection and I wanted to do a video with them. Well, this lady in front of me offered to pay for my stuff, and that has never ever happened to me before my entire life. And the lady was really sweet, and she said that somebody had paid for her daughter's lunch when she was at work the other day, and she wanted to pay it forward as well. And I literally almost started crying in line because I just thought it was amazing, and it's never happened to me before. Even though it was at Dollar Tree and it wasn't that much, like, it's just the little things that people do that make you realize there's still good people in this world. So the lady in front of me, she wanted to pay for my stuff, so obviously I wanted to pay it forward to the person that was behind me. I turned around and it was this man in a wheelchair, and if you know my grandfather was in a wheelchair. He was paralyzed from a bad car accident he had gotten into when he was younger. I don't know if you believe in those full circle moments or like, I don't know, anything like that, because lately I've really been asking like God for a sign, asking my grandfather to show himself to me, or like to talk to me, or I wish I could talk to him. And like in that moment, I'm sorry, I don't mean to get emotional, but like in that moment, like I really felt like my grandfather was there and he was like saying hey, and like that he was okay, and like Merry Christmas. I'm sorry y'all, I'm such a baby, but it just felt like a really good, it was like a really good moment, and I felt very, very happy and like, I don't know, just very grateful to be where I am today, and very grateful just for many things in life. It also just made me feel a little bit better about the whole situation with my grandfather and the beating myself up and things like that. And I know he would not want me to be doing that to myself. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and hang up these last two shirts and then move on to cleaning over here, and then a few things over here, and then vacuum, and then be done.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey y'all, 'tis the next night, and I got pretty much everything done in here except for my vacuuming. I got dusting done. I even packed my freaking bags today. I just got done boiling some water on the stove so that I can do some dishes. Yeah, it's been rough lately. But anyways, I thought we would finish off this video with me in my handy dandy vacuum, vacuuming up these millions of little snowflakes on my floor. And then we're gonna peace out, baby, because tomorrow's vacation and I'm so ready.
Artlist.io.
Okay, beauties, this is a little overview of the makeup room now. She is nice and vacuumed and mopped and looking amazing and so fucking clean, y'all. When I get home, I'll be ready to work, baby, work, baby, work. Hopefully when we get home, we can get our hot water heater fixed so that I can clean my makeup brushes. I do have some still like clean so I can do my makeup, but I have a feeling a lot of those are going to be stained. It's not going to be fun. Also, when I get home, I'm going to be working on finishing my dresser. I have kind of put the dresser in the background for a minute. I don't know if I've talked about my dresser here yet on my channel. I can't remember, but I have this dresser from when I was a kid. It used to be my like grandmother's, aunt, uncle's, like you name it, it was all theirs, and I have it now. I Mod Podged it a long time ago when I was like in middle school, and me and my boyfriend like sanded it down, got all the Mod Podge off. We're almost done completely sanding it, and I already picked out the paint for it, and then I just have to get handles. But I've been doing that all on a YouTube video. I haven't filmed much of the process, but I'll be filming like the painting process and stuff like that. The sanding and stuff just gets repetitive. Y'all just don't want to see like an hour of me sanding a damn dresser. Sorry, I guess I could turn around and have better lighting. But other than that, when I get home, I'm gonna try to work on that video and try to finish up that dresser. And then I'm gonna start a little series of organizing my makeup into the dresser. And I have so many fun things planned for next year, for 2023. So I cannot wait till we get there, beauties. I cannot wait. Anyways, I love you, beauties, so freaking much. This is the last video of 2022. 2023 is a new freaking year, and I hope that y'all all have a happy new year. Be safe out there. Make smart choices, okay? And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.